Hey, what's up? It's Dillon King with Home Buyer Louisiana, and I am here in the Tulane area, not too far off of Canal. We have an awesome, it's like a 2-1 here. So what happened was, it's like a family home. We have 3 siblings who now own it from the passing of their father. The succession is complete. I believe that one of the brothers was living here for a certain time period, and he is the final sibling to move away to Houston. They did place it on the market. It was on the market for about 73 days. They decided to take it down. They don't have interest in turning it around and putting in the time and funds into turning it around to sell it at a proper ARV. And they also are not interested in becoming landlords, especially now that they all have moved away from the local area here in New Orleans. So they went to homebuyerlouisiana.com and got in touch with us, told us their situation. Here I am assessing the house. We do have, I believe the foundation, the piers seem like they're fine from what I can feel, but there's a lot of joist work that needs to be done because I'm feeling a lot of slope in the ground. In one of the rear bedrooms, it's been raining in our area quite a bit recently. In one of the bedrooms, I can definitely hear like water leaking, though I'm not finding like a wet spot or sheetrock damage in there. Just definitely something that like I would look into. But other than that, it is outdated. It's got your wear and tear. Like I said, I believe this house was in the family for quite a while, and you know, it needs some updates. It needs the floor joist to be looked at. It's outdated, but other than that, it's in a growing neighborhood. They just don't want to take care of it anymore, and they want help getting it off of their plate as soon as possible. So if you have a property similar to this, or know someone that has a property similar to this, send them to homebuyerlouisiana.com. Tell us what you got going on, because we're going to take this house, we're going to buy it from them as fast as possible, and we're going to buy it for cash. We're also going to buy it as is. So you can see there's a few like belongings and stuff still here behind me, and like the conditions I told you about, they will remain. We're not going to ask them to fix any of it, okay? We're just coming in to make sure the description they gave us on that form is accurate. That's all I'm here doing today. We're going to buy this house as fast as we can for cash and as is, with whatever belongings they don't want to come grab still remaining inside.